Tucked away in the heart of the French countryside, this tiny house feels like it was plucked straight out of a fairy tale. Handcrafted with love and wrapped in warm wood tones, it's more than just a home. It's a dreamy forest cabin on wheels. In today's video, we're giving you a full tour of Bois Perdus, a charming 150-square-foot tiny home designed for simple, intentional living. Whether you're dreaming of going off-grid, downsizing, or just love a cozy cabin aesthetic, this one's for you. Let's step inside.